I got a Honda CR-V 2008. It's this car doesn't crank over, so let me see. It's on. It's done 163,000 kilometers. Engine lights on. Can put the neutral. Alright, let's see. Alright, nothing happening there. Let me get one more crank. Nothing happening there. Alright. Nice one. Right. Let's just show you what I found. Now I'm going to start cranking the motor over. Put in there. Yeah, I couldn't find it. It was kind of clicking. The start was just click. So I suspect it's just to the start the motor. The alternator charging. It's good. I'm gonna switch off the vehicle and then try to restart it and see how it happens. Alright. Yeah, one more time. Yeah. So now I can see the starter motor now. Starter motor down there. So what I did, I just disconnect the throttle body there and split the intake manifold to half, like this, and yeah, I lip wrapped this frame, just then I can get this in slide off this area. Yeah, might not the best way to doing this, but that's all I did. So there you go. Now we had it. Part number. So Honda. Turn off the lights. Yeah. I think this driver is not good. Can see. Oopsie. Yeah, how to do, but one thing. Yeah, you can see I can spin by hand. That's as I see it. Alright. Right, so we got a new starter motor here. This is the part number. So the same. So it's a brand new one. Just checking the driver. Let's see. You have to check. Yeah, it's good there. The new starter motor is fitted. Yeah, I have fitted the throttle body. Right, the new starter motor is fitted, so I go to crank the car now. Beautiful.